Let us come to the next topic, the second type of the arithmetic mean. How many types were there? There were three types. First was the types of mean I am saying. First is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. There are three types of mean in which we have started as a measures of central tendency. अब हम second type पे आते हैं, that is harmonic mean, where it is used, though harmonic mean has its limitations and it is used in a very limited area, but it has its application specifically when the data is consist of the values and observations which are very small and I would say very small or very large values. So such observations which has a very extremely low values and extremely large values, such type of data set can also use harmonic mean. And in some other applications it do have like the data where we have to identify the average of the speed, average of the rates are there. In such cases harmonic mean has its wide application. Let us understand what is it. It is one of the important method of calculating an average, and it is typically appropriate in the situations when the average of the rate is desired. What is it? It is the mean of a set of observation, and we can define it as reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the observations. Look, what does this definition says? Definition says reciprocal of what? Reciprocal of average. Average of what? Reciprocals of observation. So you have to make this from the definition itself. Definition में पहले बोलते हैं you have to identify the reciprocal of observations. So whatever the observations are there, it's the invert of that. Then what you do? You find out the mean. Mean of what? Mean of this reciprocals. Then what you do? In third step, you reciprocate the value which you have done in step 2. Reciprocal of step 2. So if you follow these three steps, this becomes the definition of harmonic mean. And if you follow these steps, you can create the formula also. The formula comes reciprocal of observations, reciprocal of observations, done. So if there are n observations, it will go up to this. Mean of reciprocals of observation. So if this is the mean, mean means sum of the values divided by number, and then reciprocal of that. Look what I did. Simple way of remembering the formula. If you remember these three steps, in these three steps will create the definition. These three steps will create the formula as well. Reciprocal of step 2. What is step 2? Mean of step 1. What is step 1? Reciprocals of observations. Reciprocal of observations, you find the mean and then you reciprocate it. Let us come on the case when you will be provided with the data in the grouped form. Grouped form, whenever the data is there in the form of grouped, means frequency which definitely be there. Either it may be the discrete series or it may be the continuous series. In both the case, you will get frequency. What happened in that case? Only a small difference would come. Harmonic mean in that case will become n. Remember what was n? N was summation of frequency. So n becomes summation of frequency, and these reciprocals become frequency divided by value, frequency second divided by value, and if it is up to n observations, go up to n, divide by the value. So the formula becomes summation of frequency divided by the frequency of the first observation divided by first observation value, frequency of the second observation divided by second value, and so on. It goes up to n. One important point remember here is whenever it goes to the in this type, in this grouped data formula, if it is a continuous or a class interval series, that value x1 or x2 are the midpoints of the class interval, as we do in the case of mean. As we said, the mean harmonic mean is application is its use is limited. We have already talked that uses where it is mostly used when the observations are either is having very small values or are very high. It is further it is used when The cases are deal with the average of speed of the vehicle you have to calculate, or average of the rates are given and they have to calculate the average of the rates. So in such cases we'll be going to apply the harmonic mean. Let us have an example on it. The example in front of you says about a man traveled 100 miles 4 times. The first time 40 meter per hour, second time 30 meter per hour, and the third time 30 meter per hour, and the last fourth time 20 meter per hour. What is an average speed? As you already must have studied somewhere in the average speed concept, so you can calculate, or it may come in your mind that average. What is average speed? Average speed is total distance traveled upon total time. This is what we have studied in the physics, so it's not a big deal. We can do this work as well. But what happens when we do this work? It takes time. What you are going to do? आप क्या करोगे? टोटल डिस्टेंस और टोटल टाइम के लिए पहले टोटल डिस्टेंस न्यूमरेटर निकालेंगे, फिर टोटल टाइम निकालेंगे. टोटल डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए आप क्या तैयार करेंगे कि 40 मीटर पर आवर से मैंने ट्रेवल किया, बराबर बराबर जो 10 माइल्स का जो है डिस्टेंस उसने कवर किया पहली बार 40 मीटर पर आवर. दिस इज वन वे आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट फर्स्ट what you will see, distance is 10 miles, and what is the time is, because time is not given, speed is given, so you will calculate time by distance upon speed, right, using this formula. So distance is 10 miles in first part and speed is 40 meter per mile, and then you will see that this much is the time in first case. What happens in second case? What happens in third case? What happens in fourth case? You do all this work repeatedly for all the 4 times. Then what do you do? ये total distance निकलता 40 miles. फिर ये total time calculate करते हैं आप, फिर इस total distance को total time से divide करते हैं, and you could have got this value. Why to do that much of exercise? ये तो हमारी physics है, physics में हमने किया होगा ये काम. Maybe we have not applied harmonic mean there, otherwise it would have been easy for us. ये हमारा system काम करना हमने सीखा है. Rather than doing so much of lengthy work, straightway come to the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean says straight apply the formula, you get that value जो आप इतना लंबा process करते हैं. Straightway harmonic mean का formula लगा दीजिए. N, what is N? Number of observations. कितनी बार आपने observe किया है ये चीज? 4 times. 4. Divide 1 upon x1. x1 is the first, पहली बार जो स्पीड दिया हुआ था, पहली वैल्यू, पहला ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या स्पीड दी है 40. सेकेंड ऑब्जर्वेशन में we have been given 30, so we'll be going to apply 30. Second, third comes in third time it is 35, and the last time it is 25. Look at here, I simply applied this formula, and now I do the calculation, I will get the answer which I would get after doing that much of hard work. 4 observations हैं. 4 observations कैसे हैं? पहले observation में 10 miles चला अलग स्पीड से, फिर एक और बार ऑब्जर्व किया, 10 miles चलाया दूसरी स्पीड से, फिर से 3 बार थर्ड बार जो ऑब्जर्व किया है कि 10 miles को 35 माइल पर आवर की स्पीड से, और चौथी बार जो आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है वो है 10 miles को कवर किया 25 miles पर आवर की स्पीड से. तो यू डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज व्हाई इट इज रिटन 4. 4 बार ऑब्जर्वेशन हुए हैं, और क्या क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन हुए हैं? ये वाली स्पीड, ये वाली स्पीड और ये वाली स्पीड से. आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग दिस एक्सरसाइज you straight get the value, that is 31.52. you do it with your calculator, you will get this value definitely as what I have. 31.52 meter per hour average speed है. Only it takes one step, एक step में you get this answer. Otherwise we would have to do that much of lengthy work, and then we get the same answer. Yes, it is sure when you are going to do that thing, the same answer you will get at 31.52 there also. But only this application part is there. Hard working, better than hard working is smart working. हम smartly इसको create कर सकते हैं. This is the answer for 31.52 in the case of harmonic mean. Another example is there in front of you, where the cycle is running at the rate of 15 km per hour during the first 30 kilometers, 20 kilometers per hour during the second 30 kilometers, you have to, the people have asked you to find out the average speed of the cycle. Same exactly, this is for your practice. Try to find out the value. You can perform that exercise with this process. You can do it directly. Whatever you apply, the answer of this numerical should come 16.67 kilometer per hour of this second numerical. That is the average speed of the cycle. So perform this exercise, put this formula and get the answer matched with 16.67. So this here it talks about harmonic mean and its application.